If you are receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from Hailuo AI app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications or messages from Hailuo AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, you need to access Hailuo AI app info, and you can do that through settings. However, the shortcut method is just long press on your app and you should see app info. If you don't see this, you should see a settings gear next to it or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access Hailuo AI app info page. From here, look for permission section. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, under permissions, go to notifications. You can see the notifications option is down below. And look at this, all these notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving those alerts. And among the notifications turned on are permanent notifications, vibration, notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, and lastly play sound. With this on, you will always receive notifications from this app. To turn them off, all of them at once, just toggle off show notifications option on top here, and this will disable all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never receive notifications from Hailuo AI unless you toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Hailuo AI notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.